Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, you have to understand that the price of gold is moving upside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Three things that you have to understand here is that, see, it make a rise and then we have seen a good upside. It falls, then it tries to go upside, make another new high, it falls, tries to make another new high, and it falls at these levels if you look at this. But what happened at this happens for the fourth time. Now if you look at this, what pattern we have seen for the fifth time, that it was narrowing in this particular range. Okay, this was the fifth time we have seen that the price has crossed this particular level, and above a level of 3400 I've clearly explained you that the price can move further upside. See, the price has touched almost 3700. That means $300 movement we have seen in this particular level. Okay, three things that you have to understand looking here. Okay, that is very important if you are trading in gold and silver. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the previous support was 3400 where the price has crossed this particular zone and we have seen an upside. Okay, now what you have to see, what are the three scenarios that we can see. Whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, and you can see the good fall range. Now if the price started forming a swing, that means if it started profit booking at these levels, what we can see that it can make a fall. Okay, but when it will started to go down, we still don't know. Okay, because as soon as started making a red candle, that is where there is a probability that it can come down. The best option you can do if the price started falling, you can trail your SL by $15 or $20. Okay, that is where you can start going. It can come down, so you can start trailing. The price now started going upside, because if you look at the dollar index, it's trying to go down. Okay, because it is inversely related to dollar index. So if the price started going down after making a red candle, there is a probability you can start trailing your SL towards downside by $15 to $20. Okay, now the price is going upside. I'll explain you with the help of dollar index that you'll understand clearly. See, the dollar index trying to go down, the price has already towards a level of 96.8 and there is a probability that it can move further low, because I've told you that 96.3 is a strict support. So if the price started falling below this level, we can see a further fall, and this pattern is supporting a downside in the dollar index. So chances of touching 96.3 is on a higher side, and as soon as the price started falling below this level, chances of going towards 95.6 can be seen. And if the price going below that level, we can see a level of $94.6. This is what we can see. From these two levels, we can see a bounce back. But if that didn't bounce back, we can see this particular level, and from there it didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. But suppose if it started going upside, less of probability, but if it started going upside and goes above a level of 98, then we can see there can be a further upside movement towards 98.6, then to a level of $98.9. And if the price going above that level, probability of going towards 99, and then we can see the price can rise above 100.2 and then a further upside movement. Okay, coming back again on the gold, what we can see, as you can see that the dollar index is moving down, and on a higher chances that it can go further down. So we can see there is a probability that we can see a further upside movement in the price of gold. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the price can touch its today's high of around 3700, and if the price going above that level, what we can see, it can touch a level of 3720 and then to a level of 3750, and if the price going above that level, it can touch a level of $3780 and then a further upside movement. Best you can do, you can trail your SL by $15 or $20, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if it started going below that level, we can see it can touch a level of $3684, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 36 75. Okay, and once the price falling below 36.75, a further downfall can be seen towards 36.60. And if the price falling below 36.60, it can touch a level of $36.47. And once the price fall below 36.47, a further downfall can be seen towards 36.30. Okay, these points that you have to remember are very important. After 36.84, we can see a level of 36.66, then to a level of 36.47. Or after 36.84, we can see a level of 36.75 to a level of 36.66, then to a level of 36.47, then to a level of $36.30. And then a further downfall can be seen towards a level of 36.22. Okay, and then a further fall can be seen towards next level of 36.11. And then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can fall further down towards 3600, which is a strong support. So bounce back can be seen from 3600. If the price fall below that level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, this is what you can see looking at this particular chart, and chances are high that the price can, if it keep moving above a level of around 36.74, a further upside can be seen. If the price keep moving above this level, keep that in mind. Okay, the price is already above this level, but if the price started falling below a level of around 36.49, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, and these are the levels we can see the price can touch. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.